I'm currently in one of the 52 villages which had been ordered by the IDF to get vacated, and this is the Girgaon village which was hit yesterday by the IDF. And you can see behind me, this is the house, two houses in fact, which were bombed by the massive bombs, and 18 people, two families, completely uh, got buried under the debris of these two houses. During the night, the remains of some of the bodies had been removed because there is the threat from the Israel. All the rescue people as well as the villagers have left now this village. This is the story of the South Lebanon, which is currently a battleground between Hezbollah and IDF. Actually, the IDF has started the ground invasion in the South Lebanon, and they are pushing the people of the villages beyond the Litani River towards the south of the Litani River, because they want to completely uh, uh, remove any kind of threat from Hezbollah from this side. Hezbollah has a strong presence in these areas. In fact, they are carrying out one-to-one battles on the Israeli army in this area only. When the ground invasion started from the Israel for last 3 days, they are trying for it. Yesterday, they also tried in the Bekaa Valley, and here in the southern Lebanon, they are already on the ground, and one-to-one battles being carried out by the Hezbollah fighters also here. Actually, the force, the personal force as well as the weaponry of Hezbollah has already exhausted during the 1 year of war in 2024. But after the assassination of Iran's supreme leader, Hezbollah has started once again attacks on the northern parts of Israel. Why it is so painful for the Israel? Actually, during 2024, more than 1 lakh habitants and the residents of the northern Israel were pushed to move to the safer places in the central Israel. And then after the ceasefire, those residents in the northern Israel returned back to their homes. And once again, now the Hezbollah wants that those residents in the northern Israel, which the Hezbollah called the occupied Palestine territory, should move back towards the central areas of Israel, so that they can easily make a kind of a pressure on Israel for those residents, with those residents who could get displaced. And also, it is necessary for the IDF to um, protect their civilians, because the rockets and the drones from this place to the northern parts of Israel just take 1 minute or half a minute, while as the drones and the missiles from the Iran at least took 8 to 12 minutes. So there is a lot of gap for the preparation for the for movement of to the shelters for all those people who are living in the Israel, but not for those people who are in the northern parts of Israel. Ashrafani, for India Today in South Lebanon.